start sewing your glove, you're going to go right into that first knot. So my yarn is on the other side. I'm putting my gloves together and pick up from that knot on that side. Now you go in exactly where you left off, and remember that you need to respect that knit right there. So you're picking up the purl. So you go in there and pick up the knot on the other side, which is a purl. So right there, go in and out on the same side. So you go in where you left off last time and go into the next knot right in there, and then go in where you left off on this side and pick up that knot on the other side. So that means you're skipping one and going into the next. So here is my knot. I am skipping one and going into the next stitch, and I'm respecting that knit row here and the knit row here. And that's the reason we have purls on each side, so that when they come together they look like one. So from there to there, and from here to here, and I'll show you how that looks. And from here to there. And see, when you put it together, you don't see the difference between one and the other, and they come together very nicely. See what I mean? Okay, so I finished my glove, and let me show you where the seam, see, the seam is right in there, right in here, and you cannot tell, and that's the way it's supposed to be finished. You should not have to tell where the seam is. Let's see. And so you sew the thumb also from the top down, and so this is the way it looks. See how pretty that is? It's very, very open. So this is very nice. It's nice and warm too. This is lovely yarn. Thank you very much for watching, and please share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.